상매 댕상 뽑에 터네 nga pyobayin she sung pyogyo yoba nidang pyo nang pyo miri tsamay tongkyu gyashungi chakchar lungsup tabi chepsi lengkyu dang si ju kanka kyang pyo miri ki tumo mayinbe ngo shenyar ki semshu chok tupkyu meba diyang gombucho ki tabke tukje chilabla tene chungwa shi yinba ngansu changme tuyda nambakundu katin jejen shugu. Today, all living Tibetans all over the world can proudly proclaim, I am Tibetan. Inside Tibet, PRC government's relentless policies and practices to eradicate and sinicize Tibetan national identity have failed to break the resilient spirit of the Tibetan people and their determined resolve to cherish and preserve their distinct identity. All of these have been made possible due to the benevolent blessing, far-sighted vision, and ingenious leadership of His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama, for which we continue to remain indebted with eternal gratitude.
Nabalenge Samalola ya samdi distillation shue yin nga chujudoji kozang kenzo yin. Taring nyedong nishu zodu dawan yeweze nishu zengni resa nimatang losai ki tsawa nga. Taring chuga dharamsala kanjong lami yongne kamsum chu di gebu jeno kongsa kiamkwen tamji kenjing sikwa chenpo cho podang poda lay sidir nga su shune longo geju kyodu korwe tensu zegushik chuga dharamsala sunzi shu yobare. Kaptir penden sigung pembasiring choki Kashak ki shungden tamshede pyoge nang tang teje inge nang nangwashik shamla sinse yomashu.
Dichela pende Sikyon chone Kashagi sungshe naruna shui. May I request Honorable Sikyon to deliver Kashak's statement?
Tering ganzo kangjong lami yone kamsum chui gebo Chino konsyam yungun tamje kenji siba chimbucho podang podale sedi nga su shune longa gyaju gyaju kowe tuze keba jendir gadru nga tensu shuwe nzego di to kasha ne shije pimi pinda namba tang pyoju choku namba tari nzego ki kundu tso kanun tisur samdarum checho 다 갑자기 군대를 좀 쳐줘. 다는 신기 자가 그 군대 나로네 노벨 시대 생다 셰뇽의 노벨 laureate Kailash Satyarthi 공기 남일 현재 아니 필리핀스네 군대 페바 조조티미 아드리안 마이클 아마통당 루프 로드리게스 다른 진흥 권상무 주무초 세팅 아소시에이션 공로 저주 코웨기 드네다 답튜니 조시 니 톨이야 아니 드랭당 손디날 냠슈쳔에 직디 출루 튼데디 진흥 권상무 주무초기 제팅 안에 제팅 랍친지 차되기 열에 대인배선상 다른 데리야 아니 담살라 퀸에 힌두 구초베 श्री अजय कुमार शर्मा छोरे 대간의 카제 초베 모하마드 자밀 자미 예슈 초베 빅토르 모지 아니 시크 초베 서브지 싱 콘소디게 대표요 대간의 조시 셴바데 진호 콘상모 주무초다 랍쳔게 제신치디 아니 코리오고 톨레 코리오고 톨이야 아니 돌레나게 케바카직 단다 치리레고 차고 시중 염식한게 Dr. Murumuthu Yoganathan, and Mohan Chandra Kandapal, Dr. Rajan Kotru, Dr. Kimaya Manan, and Hima Kandpal, Dr. Lobsan Yangsula, Dushin Dendeshuni Tani, Zegu Jelia, and Jushidini Tola, Doning Lerim Nalia, Yamshu Shuade, Konaba, Samalo Tani, Kundu, Chivinamata, and Pimitu Kawasum. 제주 남부수 유백이 제주 레술 상물로리아 안타린 투든 디당 답준시 가샤군에 참지 드실래슈에 쇼진에 남루사도 쉐버리 다니 진호 건상고 춤쇼 아니 세팅 아수시는 공을 저주 코야디 그베 드렌디 아주 고등기 레림당 냠도마 공디체 벽을 로주 털려야 도난테시 용로치나 삼백레와직 진호 건상고 춤쇼 최대 쉬워던 냠도 드리치니 레베톤에 고디슈 샤바지 차기 열에 된두 아니 남버스 방송원에 매네 벽을 로주 털려야 아니 예버도 도난한 거야 당 세팅 아수시베 주림기 턴에야 대시 잡당 칸데 잡고 유메 tenzo 안 다른 제고 디 턴에 첸투에 레와도지 도신 슈드기 아니 롱어 야지겨주 공그 벽결로 예동 죽주레주 랍중 추주베 사유 다와 두베 체칙 실지동 고제 숨섭디 다와 숨소구 다와 두베 체 줍디니 롱어 숨잠ring 할레 롱다당 양시 70기 림버 레버 줍네 양시 추제도 문지 두대 상케 심베 교 한무튼룹 여비움 꾸코르제 강진 케베 쪽에 제종갑 전부 구이 셈베 시유 군범 장발링네 10시 유르데 사유 다와 예베 세 일상아 실치동 곱게 숨주 쏘고 다와 주베 체 개니 개설하세 놀린 개상 포단도 샵솔 대화 코징 랍중 추주베 정루 다와 당부 체 춥시 실치동 국제 10주 다와 니베 체 선이 니게 중진 니베 셰메칸 제 포장 보달래 솜전 시시 푼조 김미직 동에 대괴 세지 티방 통보를 응아수기 제고 장대 강종수 조와 베이징 간제만남 지시 개베벌 뉴저지베 천안배면 도지 야담 이어메벌 표단 표미 레왕 다글셰베 땡제지 고발 양보셰베 전대인 신기 타위 유족군에 뭐저 나초기 최진 야추 촉숨 최진 하데미디 용내 거기 루거를 잡되는 당 까초 경외 하송 남라 당라 최대기 야세를 포무 gen지 상마 되든기 돈롱기 최들 레베 외낭 살바실라 원도 쇼유 급텔 잠링 시부 마신입에 먹는기 좀 여바당 고민당 시숑기 독함니수 벌써 젠송기 벽이 첩시 양압의 내술 홍연왕 계섭 라젠름시 초기 화물 라솔 소시당 벽용 하송 최전 롱다 카 제튠토 의주 강인의 개왕 공공매 열제남 출매 문진당 담배 랑다 진은 지중 변종 총도 연som수 세라 제규 치 대주 강한 매버 양시 투제 년에 중요배 대린 안수 공부초기 답을 균장배 잠수당 세화매배 냠랭기 원나 직된 큐나 계획 땡대기 두지 개발진 시글라 전수동구 여바단 접직 급텔 중석간대 포장부 전부 레네 진캔당 변미수 친한기 개개 타다 남주 덴베톤에 장세낭대 랑치 기고카 베줍기 베라왕기 네법 게지낭 세든 제발랑 전수동 공에 인 롱어 제주주 공기 세딩아수의 기재고 되니 별로 sö나 sö균 남루기 케바 딕주 남고 가와 야덴베 강종 섭시기 왕루 교신당 파바첸레 시왕기 투게 면람 격주당 강종 함익군기 대배 알론 투제기 초가 삽생 덴베시 임베 흉원에 야나 고민 시흉당 인흉기 구잡당 젠종 배유당 룩소 김제 계급기 구잡랑 제자당 티게 무무기 고급 낭대 내내 쉬여라 급대이 야나 고민당 시흉기 구잡네 세딩아 수기 제고 조경 제루당 계섭 라렌르치 세붐 주도 마고베 년슈 필로소 야나 군대 흉기 다동 우주기 준조 제단 제신바 대리 익사당 제좀 림트나 때네 모든 센항 중요 롱은 계속해주니 로주기 장가 잠시 멤버 신호 konstangu 춤부 초기 로아미 상주 다베당 주로 튼데 벽이 추리 숨겹 야가르기 나의 추리 결소 시리 꺄수체 제구르 담저시 냠렌다 꾸베기 중림 살동아르와시 인라 권수경건 정부 초그 잠제 땡주기 잠즈다 수센니 또메기 원다 멤버 누톱기 촌다임바 드럽 니직베 직된 딜 라주 나웨 루시에기 생다 탁chen 68 Grammy Annual Grammy Awards 내강 디데체 직니 생도 표여라 공부 강한얘기 꼬즈르보 잠즈단 셰럽기 냠렌단 담간라 때네 로아미 빼연라 제타메베 은왕 진여바다 벽이 내드는데 첩시기 원도 짱바시네 잠린 시드당 추루 참드 코리우 송겹소 로아미 투몽기 레녜기 토제 파르 빠르낭 유 롱원 디다기 낭 간소 젠주 비밀 쳬나 공부초기 간주 쳇도 두주당 렌주기 중럽식장 인신 원셰바 남다 살레메베 젠주기 로데낭 간수 케이당 출루 릭슌 미리기 체동 다대파도 송야르 톱데 잠린 셔nov기 종당 종계를 자민도 내그 내자 상매 댕상 뽑에 더네 nga pyoben she song pegyu yoba nidang pyo nang pyo miri tsame tongkyu gyashungi chakchar longsu tabi chepsi lengyu dang si ju kanka kyang pyo miri ki tumo mayimbe ngo shenyar ki semshu chok tupgyu meba diyang gombucho ki tabke tukji chilabla tene chungwa shi yinba ngansu changme tuyda nambakundu katin jejen shugu tadun chino khonsu chamgu chumbucho kuchi kejar tenching tuji shegun tada hunji drubatan pyo mi shije nyamzomji nimu nyurdu charwe molamche kashaki. Today we have as our honored guest Professor Samdong Rinpoche, who was our former speaker and Kalan Chiba. Also on the dais is Kundalini Rinpoche, one of the most revered Tibetan Rinpoche Lama. We also have Kailash Satyarthi, who is a Nobel laureate, who is coming here to Dharamsala for the third time with his family. And we also have honorable members of parliament from Philippines, Member of Parliament, Congressman Adrian Michael Amatong, and Congressman Rufus B. Rodriguez and their family. And today on this occasion of the 86th enthronement ceremony of His Holiness, we have two titles in which His Holiness has made great contributions, one on interreligious harmony and another one on environment. So today we have Shri Ajay Kumar Sharma ji representing the Hindu community, Muhammad Kamil Jamiji representing the Muslim community, Reverend Victor Ngoji, Christian community, Sarabjit Singh ji representing the Sikh community as part of the interreligious harmony promotion program here in Dharamsala. And we also have Dr. Marimuthu Yoganathan, Dr. Mohan Chandra Kandapal, Dr. Rajan Kotru, Dr. Kimaya Mohan, Dr. Hema Kandapal, and Dr. Lobsang Yangsula, who are experts on environmental issues, who will be taking part in the program this afternoon. Thank you very much, all of you. And we also have the three pillars of democracy, both serving and former members of the civil society, Tibetans inside and outside of Tibet. Kashak extends a very warm and heartfelt greetings to all of you. On this occasion, as we celebrate the 86th enthronement ceremony of His Holiness the Dalai Lama and also the Tibetan New Year, we also had this very sad news of the demise of Gyabje Ngari Rinpoche, who was a former member of parliament and the youngest brother of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, who expired several days ago. So there won't be major celebrations during the New Year, including today's program. In fact, we had planned some, but this was a change in the last minute. So as we celebrate today the historic event marking the 86th anniversary of His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama's enthronement upon the golden throne at the Potala Palace, the Kashak extends his warmest greetings to Tibetans inside and outside Tibet and to all friends of Tibet. 86 years ago, on 17th July 1939, the young child, Lama, together with his parents and retinue, departed from Kumbum Chambaling, the birthplace of Je Tsongkhapa, Tibet's preeminent scholar. This departure followed his recognition as the true reincarnation as His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama after 3 years of meticulous search, investigation, and divine oracular decrees. On 8th October 1939, His Holiness arrived safely at the Nobulinga Palace at the nation's capital, Lhasa. The official enthronement ceremony, accession to the fearless lion-upholding throne, was held in the Sishi Pizo Hall within the Potala Palace on 22nd February 1940. This ushered in an auspicious destiny, fulfilling the immutable vow of the lotus bearer Avalokiteshvara to guide the people of the land of snow as his disciples until the end of aeons and to assume the sacred stewardship over the destiny of Tibet and its people. Although the entire world at that time was shrouded in the darkness of the Second World War, and Tibet's political situation had fallen into a precarious state due to the Kuomintang government's invasion of territories in the Tibetan regions of Amdo and Kham, the true reincarnation as His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama was recognized with unmistakable certainty and without any external interference. This was achieved through the convergence of visions beheld by Regent Reting Rinpoche in the sacred lake of Lama Lasso, the oracular pronouncements of Tibet's protecting deities, the potential candidates' unerring identification of the late Dalai Lama's personal effects, and the formal proclamation of his sublime signs at the full session of the Tibetan National Assembly. Today, as we commemorate this auspicious and extraordinary occasion of historic significance, we also honor His Holiness' lifelong commitment to and practice of compassion and nonviolence throughout the world. We also remember the profound wisdom of the Gandhe Podang officials and the Tibetan people of that era, who countered all internal and external obstacles and through the diligent fulfillment of their duties demonstrated Tibet's independent status to the international community. For Tibet, the enthronement ceremony held 86 years ago signified the enduring continuity of its sovereign authority through a unique system of governance rooted in sacred tradition and established by divine mandate. It was a solemn ceremony manifesting the connection of the iron hook of Avalokiteshvara's compassion with the ring of faith held by the deities and people of the land of snow. The Gandhe Podang government granted permission to representatives of the Chinese Kuomintang government, the British government, and the neighboring nations of Sikkim, Nepal, and Bhutan to pay obeisance and present tributes for the enthronement and receive them accordingly. The Communist government of the People's Republic of China persistently propagates the falsehood that the Kuomintang representative presided over the ceremony and that Regent Reting Rinpoche submitted a petition requesting exemption from the so-called Golden Urn lottery. Innumerable archived documents and successive scholarly works have not only debunked these false claims, but also brought the actual facts to light. 86 years is not merely a historical marker, but a magnificent chronicle of His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama's practice and promotion of his four principal commitments: the promotion of human values, the fostering of religious harmony, the preservation of Tibetan culture and religion, and the revival of ancient Indian knowledge. Through his teachings and practice of compassion, His Holiness has demonstrated to the 21st century world that compassion and tolerance are not signs of weakness, but symbols of strength, a legacy recently recognized at the prestigious 68th Annual Grammy Awards on 1st February 2026. His Holiness, through his lifelong practice and teachings of compassion and wisdom, has bestowed boundless light upon human civilization and further elevated the Tibetan cause from a purely civilizational, political aspiration to the heights of universal pursuit of global peace, religious harmony, and environmental preservation. Under the extraordinary leadership of His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama, and with the support from the international community, including from that of the government and the people of India, we have been able to preserve our language, religion, culture, and national identity. Today, all living Tibetans all over the world can proudly proclaim, "I am Tibetan." Inside Tibet, PRC government's relentless policies and practices to eradicate and sinicize Tibetan national identity have failed to break the resilient spirit of the Tibetan people and their determined resolve to cherish and preserve their distinct identity. All of these have been made possible due to the benevolent blessing, far-sighted vision, and ingenious leadership of His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama, for which we continue to remain indebted with eternal gratitude. Finally, we offer our fervent prayers for His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama of Tibet to live for aeons and for the spontaneous fulfillment of all his noble aspirations. May the day of reunion of Tibetans in Tibet and in exile dawn upon us soon. Thank you.